What is going on, SHIB Army? It's me, the most believable man in crypto, here to talk to you about the price action. What's going on the charts? And I'm going to tell you that I think, and this is not financial advice because I can't provide that to you. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am doing this for myself. I took a SHIB long and I took a big one. By the way, I took a big long on Bone yesterday, and that one paid off very, very well because I caught it right at about $1.44. Sold it off $1.53 yesterday. Nice play. But at the same time, we had SHIB coming way down into what ended up being almost a danger zone for me. Not exactly, but it was getting super, super, super close. So let me tell you what I think is going to go on. Let me tell you what I think is happening right now. And then I get ready for a parabolic move. I don't know how far this is going to go, but I think that this might just be the start of it. Let me just show you the chart, and then you guys make what you will of it. First of all, the most important thing, and let's pull that up on the screen right now, ETH Toronto starts tomorrow. August 15, August 16. Shiba Inu is there right now, and we're waiting for that moment. The pre-show has already started, by the way, but there are people there right now. So the schedule of events is going to be, you can go check out the event schedule. There's all of this different stuff that's going on, right? And the important part is SHIB's going to be out here, and they've got an announcement that we don't know what it is. We have no idea what's getting ready to happen on ETH Toronto, but we do know that it's going to be something epic. And that's what we keep hearing. Remember, PuppyNet is down. They've already cleared everything out. And now what do we have? Well, on the chart here, this is what we've got. And we've had the retracement, right? Wicked up here to 4 zeros, 11,366. Now we've had that retracement wicking down basically to the one line, 401. Then from there, we had a nice little run from that spot all the way up here to 10.6. Then we have a small retracement here. This retracement probably comes back down into this 10.4 range because there's some wicking right here. There's some wicking down here. It's obviously the level at 10,400 of support. And then I think we start to see a reversal. And why are we going to see the reversal? Well, we know that there is a Shibarium launch imminent, right? And I think that what we're going to do is for today, we're going to see a little bit of reversal right around here, and we're going to start to see a big move up here to test a new high, probably even that 12 today. Now, that again, this is purely speculation on my behalf, but I then think that we maybe come down here and retest again, and then we are off to one of those epic races, leading with the announcement in 2 days of Shibarium's launch, which I think takes us to 4 zeros, 1540. Then, of course, that comes with a big retest. We probably come back down here and do some big retesting. But then as we get closer to the launch, we start to see the biggest of big moves. Now, this is entirely speculation on my behalf based on what I think is going to happen at ETH Toronto. I do think that we're about to experience one of those epic sort of events, the likes of which you rarely see in cryptocurrency right now. I don't think it kicks off the bull market, but it is one of those big moves, right? Then over here on Bone, I think we've seen this play out yesterday. So what happened was I got in not at the 10 a.m. wick. It actually was at the 10 a.m. wick. So I got in somewhere around 10, 11 o'clock here yesterday at around 1:44. I want to say right in this little area right here. Rode this thing up right here. Started to get a little edgy at about 1:53. Sold off at 1:53 and a half. Didn't quite get that top at 1:55, and then it came back down. Got a little bit nervous on that move right there. Wanted to make sure that I took profit so that I could buy more when it came back down again. It came down more. I was already asleep, so I missed out on this one. So I'm going to look at the charts as soon as we get done and try to maybe make a play on Bone again. Maybe go long on it and see if it doesn't come back up here. Again, I think that there's going to be something happening very, very shortly that gives us that next test. Now, the one thing that I do want to say and I do want to stress, we do seem to have a top sort of forming here right now. So if there is any kind of movement that could take us back up to the top, I do think $1.73 right there seems to be about as far up as we go, not hitting this $1.82 or $1.76 that did happen a little while over here. So that's basically what I think is going on with Bone right now, and what I think is going on with SHIB right now. I think that the reversal is back in. We've had this nice wicking over the last little while. We saw this massive little run up here, but this is just, these are bots doing this kind of crazy stuff here. So, but the volume, remember, this volume was around 300,000 not that long ago, 1.7 million today. So a lot of stuff going on. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, though. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell to be notified of future content. I think we're getting ready for a nice big run to continue here. But again, let me know what you think. The U.S. market, a little bit wonky. So fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. I think we might have a decent day because, I didn't go to sleep expecting to see very much positivity in the market. And we don't really have too much, but we do have at least sideways towards the positive sort of trading action. I don't know that we get an enormous pump. I don't know that we get anything massive, but I do think that maybe we get a little bit of a run on SHIB, and maybe that sparks a little bit more in the rest of the market. So it's not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very